AI is a very new niche to me. I haven't done anything AI before. My name is Titima Doda.
My name is Jessica.
My name is Joy Omowa Oshikenaya.
My name is Chimamaka Kriswinji.
My name is Rabiat Ibrahim.
My name is Soporochi Rufus.
My name is Terry Neka Ugonabo.
I'm Sheila. I am from the Philippines.
We recognized that there was a gap in exposure, not only for children that are growing, but specifically girls and women in technology and AI.
Joining the WAI cohort was fueled by a combination of my passion for artificial intelligence and a desire to be part of something bigger. The prospect of contributing to projects at the intersection of AI and real-world challenges was a significant motivation for me.
I was really overjoyed when the email came through that I had been selected for the AI and data science internship. Yet amid the joy, there was some nervousness that lingered within me because I was stepping into a whole new world, and the fear of whether I would be able to meet the expectations was heavy in my head.
So Wentworth is precisely around 3 years old, 3 years plus, and it's been an organization that is completely focused on getting a lot more women into technology. And so when we say getting more women into technology, we're getting women into technology through mentorship, through internship programs, through courses that could avail them of what the potential is in technology, in the technology ecosystem. And so for us, when the Women in AI program came, it was timely. It aligned with what we're trying to do as an organization.
LabMaps worked hand in hand with Wentors, a global community, and then to select the first cohort and had our first cohort of AI interns last year from over 350 applications received globally.
What we did was go into a partnership with your organization, with the Fire Institute, and the Women in AI program, we're able to afford it to some of our community members.
Gender equality in the tech space is actually quite important, and I think as a society, bridging the gap is actually quite necessary.
I would think of the healthcare space, right? So imagine that there are AI products, for instance, that are being built, right, without enough women contributing into it. And it might not necessarily mean that those companies are not going out to search for the women, but it's a lot around skills. That do you have the women who can contribute to it?
I believe through what Women in AI, I believe what we are doing at Women in AI, I think that's a very good step.
And observing the unequal opportunities that women have, it further fueled my commitment into developing this area.
I, for example, I've always wanted to acquire digital skills, but I didn't know what field to delve into. So when I got to see the flyer for the Mentorship Fellowship, I saw the cybersecurity. I was like, that's it. And I hopped in.
And so reflecting that on Wentors as a whole is, if we don't get a lot more we interested in that field, then how can we as women begin to contribute? And again, I think it also, reflected back on our core at Wentors, where we feel like as we're going in the AI world, right, it is very important that women play a vital role in shaping what that industry is, because if women don't, then you would have those tools having some bias.
I had a chance to have a very exciting project. It involved a chatbot. So it was an AI chatbot for customer service.
My project was centered on using machine learning to detect fault in power line.
The exposure to cutting-edge AI projects provided a practical understanding of AI applications that extends far beyond the theoretical. I also got to learn about the cloud and its importance in my chosen career field.
In addition, we also looked at how to improve the performance of this machine learning model using the Intel technology. My teammates and I had different challenges during this project, which was largely tied to the Intel aspect of the project.
On the project, I worked as the project manager. I had an engineer and an AI engineer, a data analyst on my team. I also had a quality assurance professional. So because I'm not necessarily like technical per se, I did more of the administrative functions. But working with a team like that, a cross-functional team like that exposed me to another realm, I would say, of working with people.
In terms of personal growth, the program cultivated a deep sense of confidence in me. Being part of a community that actively supports and empowers women in AI was encouraging. It was truly empowering.
Since my project is about machine learning and I find it interesting, I think I would love to learn more about machine learning, at least to internalize it. So when next I see it, I won't be lost or stuck again. So I'd love to learn about machine learning. Then in tech generally, I would love to learn more of cybersecurity.
I noticed that I've not really seen a lot of AI in use in spaces like fashion, entertainment, and environmental sustainability as well too. So I think if I could get enough knowledge from my program here, I'd like to see how AI can be incorporated in those areas. And if they are already, I'd like to get to experience more of them.
I work in the cloud space, and I would love to take, as I said before, I would love to take machine learning further. I think particularly generative AI, that is one thing I would love to work, to have a taste or have a feel of it. I want to know how to use generative AI. I haven't done anything about that, so that is one thing I'm inquisitive about learning.
I encountered a few challenges in finding mentors who are women locally within Africa. I worked with a lot of men, so in my pursuit, I managed to get a bit of guidance and support from international women. Some of them had African roots, but despite the distance, their mentorship was so invaluable and significantly influenced my professional growth, both in media and also in the AI space.
Mentorship is a significant component of the Women in AI program. In my perspective, mentorship has played a role in my own career development.
I think basically for every field, the role of mentorship can look sized. People that walked the path that we're aiming to walk in at the moment. So it's very important to have people, that you can talk to share your challenges with.
Mentors, through their experiences, offer insights into potential career paths. They share lessons learned and provide a realistic perspective on the opportunities and challenges.
The way that I view mentorship in women, especially women in STEM and in STEM mentorship, it's really nice simply because we are being given the opportunity to do what you want, and also you are being guided.
I would definitely recommend the Women in AI program to anyone who is aspiring to transition or who is already in the progress of transitioning into the tech industry.
You need to be resilient, embrace the challenges as opportunities for growth, seek mentorship, seek support networks.
Do it because AI is shaping the world, and you want to be a contributor to what will invariably shape the world in another 10 plus years.
The program will give them a combination of hands-on projects, mentorship, and networking opportunities.
Give it a try. Be open to learning. Learning is not easy, so also is being idle. So I'll tell them to choose their preferred difficult.
And just remember that your unique perspective and skills are so invaluable in terms of contributing to this particular field.
If you're a woman and this video gets to you and you watch it, you can be in the field of AI. I would say to you, stop contemplating it, just do it.